Hello everyone, welcome to Programming Pool channel and welcome to JavaScript course. This video I'll talk about arithmetic operators. We will do a theory part, then we'll do coding part. Before we dive into the concepts, don't forget to subscribe to this channel so you will not miss any upcoming videos. Let's get started. In JavaScript, we have 5 arithmetic operators. All right. The first one is the additive operator or the addition one, also used to string concatenation. For example, 4 plus 5 equals 9. Nabil plus Auda equals Nabil Auda. The second one is subtraction operator. 6 minus 5 equals 1. The third one is multiplication. 5 multiplied by 7 equals 35. The division operator, which is 6 divided by 2 equals 3. The last one is the remainder operator or modulo. It has the percent sign, and it is basically the remainder of division operation. For example, 6 divided or 6 modulo 4 equals 2. What does it mean is 6 divided by 4 equals 1, and the remainder is 2. In JavaScript, we have something called a precedency, or like the operator precedency. All right, that means when the operators comes in the same statement or the same expression, one of them will have higher precedency. That means one of the operators will execute first or before the other one. Okay, in this table, it will show you from the highest precedence, which is the brackets, to the lowest precedency, which is assignment. So brackets is the highest, multiplication or the multiplicative operators has the second one, which is like the multiply, divided, and the modulo. And in the same level, when they come in the same statement, we will start from left to right. Here, that doesn't mean multiplication has more powerful or more power than division or modulo, but when they come in the same statement or the same expression, the first one or whatever it is first one, either multiplication or division or modulo, it will execute first. Then we will go to the next one. Okay? Additive, the subtraction and addition. Assignment, which is the lowest power and precedency levels. Let's see some examples here. You can stop the video and do and check the result yourself. The first one is 7 plus 5 multiplied by 2 equals something. The same operation, but we add the brackets around the division or the addition operation. 7 plus 5 and are surrounded by brackets multiplied by 2 equals 5 minus 3 plus 2 equals 5 plus 3 minus 2, and we will see how the operations that has or operators that have the same precedency level but start from left to right as we mentioned. Okay, 7 multiplied by 4 divided by 2 equals something. So in this slide, we can see the results. So first expression, 7 plus 5 multiplied by 2. And here we can see because the multiplication has more power than addition. So what is happening here is first operation is happening is 5 multiplied by 2, which is 10. Then the second one is the addition, plus 7, which is 17, then the equal is 17. All right. In the second statement, we have the same operation, but we surround the addition operation by brackets, and you can see the result is different. And why is that? Because 7 plus 5 surrounded by bracket is happening before the multiplication, because brackets has the highest precedency, and whatever operation is here, it will happen first. So 7 plus 5 is 12, multiplied by 2 is 24. In the third example, 5 minus 3 plus 2 equals 4, which is uh, addition and subtraction has the same precedency level, but as we mentioned, we will start from left to right. So 5 minus 3, which is 2, plus 2, which is 4. And the third one, we have the opposite, like we have addition first, then subtraction. So will be 5 plus 3, which is 8, minus 2, which is 6. The last example is 7 multiplied by 4 divided by 2 equals 14. So in this example, we can see that division and multiplication has the same level of precedency. So we will start from left to right. So 7 multiplied by 4, which is 28, divided by 2, which is 14. Now let's do some coding. So open your Visual Studio Code and open the Learn JavaScript folder that we have for our code there. Create a new file. Type the name arithmetic underscore operators.js. Let me just copy paste the expressions we had in our PowerPoint. Comment them out. By the way, if you just highlight the expressions and press Control plus the backslash, it will automatically all comment it out. All right. Now let's print the statements or the expressions into the console. Console here, console.log, type the string part. So we will explain what operation or what expression we are printing. 7 plus 5 multiplied by 2 equals, plus put the brackets, because if we add 7 plus 5 multiplied by 2, so if we don't add brackets, as we mentioned, when we have uh, the same level of precedence in operations, we'll start from left to right, right? So we want to the arithmetic operation to happen before concatenate it with the string. All right, now save it. Let's run the code. Node AR, then tab, arithmetic operators. Now the result is 17. Now let's move on to the second expression, console. Console.log will be brackets 7 plus 5, closing brackets, multiplied by 2 equals, plus will be brackets 7 plus 5 multiplied by 2. Now save it, run the code again. Now you see we have different in results, and the reason is because the brackets has higher precedence than the multiplication. So any operation or arithmetic operation in between the brackets will be first to execute, then we'll execute the rest. All right, now let me type all expressions one time. Okay, I'm done typing. Now let's see the third example. 5 minus 3 plus 2. Now we have the same level precedency for operations, subtraction, and addition. Let's run the code. Don't forget always to save it. Node Okay, now as you see, like 5 minus 3 plus 2. equals 4, which, as we mentioned, we will start from left to right because we have a same level of precedency. And if we exchange the operations, now we will start from 5 plus 3, which is 8, minus 2, which is 6. All right. The same for division and multiplication, because we started from multiplication. 7 multiplied by 4 will happen first, then divided by 2 will results of 14. The last thing I want to mention is we have two other arithmetic operators where they are like incrementing and decrementing operators. Let me show you how that works. So let's create a variable, call it number, assign a value of 5. All right, save it. Now the incrementing operator works like number mine plus plus. This is the incrementing operator. Okay, let's print it to the console, console.log number, save it, run the code. See the value is 6, okay, because we are incrementing the number. Let's use that decrementing operator, number minus minus. Let's comment out this previous statement, copy it, and print it here. Now let's run the code again. So you see now it is 4. That means it is decrementing by 1. And those two operators, incrementing and decrementing, we can use them this way too. Plus plus number, all right, or minus minus number. Now, what is happening here? What's the difference? Now, in this first type of using, so the number is 5. After that, we are incrementing 1. So when we use it in the same line, so this value will be 5 still. The next line will value be 6. All right. Where in the second type of using, the value of 5 will be 6 from this line. We don't have to go to the next line in order to see the value of it 6. Okay, so when you use it in a statement, make sure to choose which one do you want. Okay, do you want it to be in this line as a 5 and the next line to be 6 or incrementing by 1? Or do you want it to be incremented before the moving to the next line and will be 5 or 6 from the line here, okay, where the variable is. With the incrementing and decrementing operators, we came to an end of our videos today. You can practice yourself, use different values, different arithmetic operators, different order of using them in the same expression. In the next video, we will talk about control flow or decision making using if else and switch statements. Thank you for watching. See you next video.